Video review is for Lowrey's pork rinds in the microwave. I picked them up at the General Dollar for $1, and supposedly you put them in the microwave for a couple of minutes and they end up being delicious. So let's give it a try. This is my video review. Here's my microwave. Just place it in the middle. Couple of minutes until the bag expands. Here we go. We're going to have some microwave chicharrones. See how they turn out. Be right back. So here we go. Here is the chicharron aftermath. If you look at them, they ended up turning out pretty good. And they taste really good. Only took a couple of minutes. Yummy. Crackling good. I highly recommend these smoky, tasty, crackling chicharrones. Pick them up at your friendly family dollar store for $1. I mean General Dollar. Yum, yum.